Some cold mornings expected, feeling a little bit more like January than the month of March. What happened to March? I mean, it felt like May and June just a couple weeks ago, and now we're feeling like this. We've got a freeze watch in effect for several counties here in the northwestern communities, Lee County up to Sumter County, west of Stewart County, and south in through Clay County. That will be for tonight into tomorrow morning, where temperatures may fall near 30 degrees. You want to protect the tender vegetation. A lot of blooms out there. Fruits, yeah, citrus, also peaches, blueberries. Yeah, they're getting nipped in the bud. Find a way to try to cover them up or spray them with some water. Let's talk about our temperatures this morning. It's cold enough, upper 30s. We'll get into the 40s at 10 and stay in the 40s through noontime. Jacket all day, well, most of the day, and then we'll get in the low to mid 50s, topping off at 59. Sunshine, good north to northwest wind at about 10 miles per hour. Evening planner, cool to cold, 57 to 43. And then here's where we'll bottom out tomorrow morning. Again, freezing temperatures expected. I'd add Crisp County into that freeze potential too. So Cordele around 31, Americus 31, 32, Cuthbert, Dawson about 32, also Leesburg about 32. And then we get kind of very close here. I think downtown Albany, around the urban areas, probably not going to get to freezing, but if you live outside of Albany, in Dougherty County, you probably want to protect the vegetation as well. So freeze north, 33 degrees where we'll start. Let's take a look at those maps, and you can see high pressure building in. We do have a nor'easter that's producing snow in areas that have not had snow, and a lot of snow too. This is probably the biggest snowstorm so far for the big cities there, New York and Boston especially. Freezing, yeah, across the middle portions of Georgia. We do have a little clouds, and I think that may inhibit the freeze to be more widespread across the area. We'll keep an eye on it. High pressure then settles on in. It'll be a cool day tomorrow, getting into the 60s though, and then a frosty start. So that means temperatures will be in the low to mid 30s. Dew points will be a little bit higher, and so there'll be more frost production. The clouds will inhibit the frost production most likely tomorrow, except for those areas that have clear skies, which will be the northern counties. All right, here comes our next storm system. A severe weather outbreak possible here across the Arklatex once again. The big question is, does it move into our area with the same ferocity? Right now, it doesn't look like it. They've got a slight risk right now on the day 3 forecast. We might get a marginal risk, so we'll keep an eye on it, and that would be mainly Friday night. Mostly sunny tomorrow, 33 to 63. Morning frost on Thursday, and milder in the afternoon, 34 to 72. And then Friday will be 51 to 78. Most of the day will be dry. It won't be in the latter portion of the afternoon that we'll see those thunder showers start to move in. It'll turn breezy too. And rain now, unfortunately, lingers into Saturday. 49 to 58. It will be chilly, but I do think sunshine will take over heading into the end of our weekend. Today in Georgia, 5 to 7 a.m. We'll see you then.